Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. Balicki's Basement. You've been getting so good at segmenting three-letter words. So far, our lessons have only focused on one vowel sound in the middle at each time. Today, I'm going to make our lesson a little bit trickier, but I know you can do it. You'll have to use that growth mindset and really believe in yourself that you can. Now, we're going to mix up all the vowel sounds in the middle. So in the middle of the word, you might hear a or eh or I or ah or ah. You're going to have to listen even more carefully now to make sure you're choosing the correct vowel sound to put in the middle of your Elkonin boxes. We're still going to use only 3 letters in our words. You'll be thinking of the beginning, middle, and ending sound, but the vowel sound in the middle is going to switch up every time, so pay close attention. Are you ready? We'll do 2 together, and then it will be your turn to try on your own. Your first word is fib. F-I-B. Fib. What vowel sound did you hear in the middle of fib? If you chose I, you're correct. Our next word is cat. K-A-T. Cat. What vowel sound did you hear in the middle of cat? Ah. Great job. Now it's your turn to try by yourself. Your next word is sop. Your next word is dug. Your next word is fin. Your next word is bed. Now try tab. Now try sit. Now try get. Your next word is tub. Your next word is dog. Your next word is zig. Now try sun. And your last word is pod. Great job, everyone. It can be tricky to listen for the different vowel sounds, but you're all trying your best, and that makes me so proud. Make sure you stay tuned for more fun next time. See you later.